Hey everyone, this is Tyler at Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. This one's a 4x4. It also comes with these nice 20-inch aluminum rims. And the exterior color is bright white. And it comes with black interior, black seats, and the seats are also cloth bucket seats. This engine inside here is 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And it's also got a quadra-track 4x4 system. And then it's got the park view rear backup camera in the back here. So right here. So the backup camera is. And then it's got the keyless enter and go with the push button start. And it's got 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. And it comes with electronic stability control. Alright, that's the outside. Let's go take a look on the inside. Now we're on the passenger side here. Open the door. Show you guys the door panel. It's got the nice blue accent stitching here. The leather. That's always nice. A little cup holder, storage space. And these are the bucket seats I was telling you about. The driver's side has oh, excuse me. Has the power seats, but this one just slide forward and then pull this one up and it comes forward here. And then you got your cubby here. Comes with all your manuals and stuff like that. You can see those on the pictures. And these are the 20-inch rims I was telling you about. Gloss black. And then here's some more accent stitching. Cup holder again. Got the power windows. Got some nice storage right here. Little netting storage. You got maps or something. And then you could pop this thing down here for cup holders. That's always nice. And then you hit this right here. And it'll pull the seat forward and pop this in. Yeah, pop that back up real quick. And let's go to the back here. It's also got the gloss black roof rails here. Gotta put something across there. Tinted back windows. And it's got the blue accent Jeep on the side there. And hit the button. Okay, I want to show you something here. This one also comes with a decent amount of storage. You got the storage here. Some more storage here. You got a 12-volt plug-in. In case you want to put these seats down. Put an air mattress in there. And then you also have this here in case you want to keep something covered. You just lock it into place there. Nice little cover. In case you want to hide something at Christmas shopping in the winter. You don't want people peeking in your vehicles. And then yeah, you could also remove this. You just pop those out. If you're going camping, you want to sleep in your vehicle, you push the chairs forward. And then you'll be able to put an air mattress in there and use this to plug in the air mattress. And you just hit the button here. That's always nice for when you're hauling groceries. I don't have to pull it down. Now we're in the back here. Got some more accent stitching. Another cup holder. And another netting for your maps, or kids got headphones or got some junk they need to put in there. And you also pop this open right here. And that's what I was talking to you about. You could pop that side down too. Put the air mattress here. Take this rail off. And then you also got some a wall charger here. And you can plug in your phone in case you don't have like plugins for it. You got your climate. You don't have the climate control, but you got the directional for the airflow there. And let's hop in the driver's seat. You got your power locks, locking windows, power windows, and you can control your mirrors on here. And you also got your locked gas cap, so you just push this. Nobody can mess with your gas. All right, let's hop in. See what we got going on here. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there's a lumbar control here. In case you got a bad back, it'll help you out on long road trips. All right, let's hop in now. All right, now that we're in here, got a lot of stuff going on the steering wheel. Got the cruise control, and you can toggle through your switches here. Go to your speedometer. You can change it to digital to that. And then you go up. There's another thing I wanted to show you here. But this, compare your phone, it'll read your messages for you, stuff like that. Makes it a lot easier on the road, so you don't have to pick up your phone, have to be a distracted driver. And then your music, it'll show which music you're playing. I'll turn it on, but I'll turn the volume down. And it shows your FM there, shows your station. And you could also get Sirius XM radio if you wanted to put it in there, pay for the subscription, put it in. And then you could put, let me turn this off here. And then here's your trip, your fuel economy, and then your average economy right there, tire pressure, got your transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure, and then your oil life reset and stuff like that. And you got your battery voltage, so you'll be able to keep track of your battery. And this is the thing I wanted to show you too. If you're going to the States on a road trip or something, and you find it a hassle, you wouldn't be able to tell what speed you're going. You just go onto this setting here where it says press OK for miles per hour. You just hit OK. Changes it to miles per hour for you. That, I think that's pretty awesome. Put it back to kilometers because we're in Canada. All right, and what we got here is we got your radio, and you got your AM, FM. And if you wanted to put in Sirius XM, give them a call and they'll pop it in for you. You got traffic and weather, and then yeah, you can set that when you buy it. You got your media. It's got the media, and this is it comes with Bluetooth, and then you have your Apple CarPlay, and then your Android Auto, and your climate control. It's got the heated steering wheel for those cold winter days. And it's got the heated seats as well. And you got all these apps. You got your travel link, and you got your heated seats, passenger seats. And you could put Wi-Fi in here if you wanted to, and then your assist. And then you got your off-road pages. If you want to take a look at that. Might take a second here. Yeah, and then you got your vehicle dynamics, your pitch and roll, and your accessory gauges. If you're ever off-roading and stuff like that, it's always nice to keep an eye on that. And you got your controls again, your heated seats for passenger and driver side, and you can turn your steering wheel on. Then it's also got a backup camera. Take a look at that. And you hit that off. And then it's got the navigation, but you got to get the navigation. But most people don't use the navigation when they have the Apple CarPlay. So that'll be easy. It'll tell you where to go, stuff like that. And then you connect your phone. And then if you're driving down the highway, it's middle of the night and it's a little bright here, just hit this button, turns your screen off, so it'll make it easier on your eyes. And then it's pretty simple to turn it back on. You just hit the button. And then you also got your sport mode, your economy mode, and then your traction control. You can turn it off and on. And then you hold it down longer, and it'll turn your electronic stability control right completely off. So then your two back tires will lock right up, and then you'll be able to do burnouts and show off for the ladies if you wanted to. And then we also got this here, storage in here. And then it also comes with two USB inputs and an auxiliary input. It also comes with another car charger port there. And you got your shifting handle, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Nice cup holders here. And then it's also got a little storage space because this is a fob and it's got the command start. You can just put your keys there so you don't lose them. And then right here we got the stitching on here. Nice center console. Pop this open, and then there's a little storage in here. Put your like registration book or something in there, and then you open it even more, and you got even more storage right here. I don't know if you want to put CDs in there. I don't think we have CDs anymore much in vehicles. And then you also got the universal garage door opener up here. And then you got your tailgate, your hatch open, and then your hatch closed. You just hit it again to close it, and you got your lights. And then another thing I wanted to show you is that it has a sunroof here. Just hit this button right here. You could hit a vent. So open the back windows. When you open the back windows there, then it's on vent. It'll help clear out some air. And you can hit it back all the way. That's nice for those summer lake days. If this is something you're interested in, come stop by Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie. Phone number here is 780-523-5007. Have a good day, everyone.